Now let's go through the rest of tonight as promised. Hour by hour here through the night, the risk of a shower or a thunderstorm through the overnight into tomorrow morning. Any of these storms tomorrow morning can produce gusty wind and can become strong. So be weather alert into your Friday morning. Of course, we'll have you covered here at Storm Team 27. Viper radar will be lit up at times here through the morning. Gusts up to 30 to 40 miles per hour, a possibility with any of these storms moving on through here. And that unsettled threat sticks around through the morning. We catch a break as that temperature drives into the upper 60s by lunchtime, and then we await the cold front. And it too could lay down a blanket of showers and a chance of thunderstorms with gusty wind as it drops on through tomorrow afternoon and evening. Then the temperatures just keep free falling through tomorrow night as we fall into the 20s by the time we head on into early Saturday morning. So tonight down to 60 degrees, rain likely, scattered storms, gusts up to 30 miles per hour or higher into tomorrow morning. Watching those storms through the morning hours tomorrow, highs close to 70 degrees. Rain showers likely, scattered storms wrapping up by afternoon. A gusty wind will hold on for a while with those cooler temperatures later tomorrow, but we settle down tomorrow night in the upper 20s. The weekend looks dry, 41 Saturday, 48 on Sunday. The showers return on Monday, and that actually starts Sunday night. Cold enough Monday morning early. Might even have some snowflakes around. Tuesday looks dry. Wednesday and Thursday we keep warming up. Upper 50s Wednesday, 60s on Thursday with the chance of showers.